Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got something very nice. As you know, Apple has been trying to make this AirPower thing work, but it's still not out yet. But I found this one online on Amazon for £20. It's supposed to do the same thing, but compared to Apple's where you place it anywhere, this one you got fixed places for your Apple Watch and your iPhone, but it should work on any other phones as well, but only for the Apple Watch, for the Apple Watch But yeah guys, this one is from this company called LIUSI. I'm not 100% how you pronounce that, and I'm very sorry, but it goes for £20 on Amazon, guys. It comes in two different colors, so you've got a white and a silver. But yeah, let's get on with the video, guys. So as you can see, very nice. You've got the design here, so you've got your phone and your Apple Watch there. Nothing much, but yeah, you can see there's more detailed pictures. So let's get my knife so I can peel this off. Let's just try this side here. Let's peel this off, and sliding out like that. It's very nice. So let's take this out. So inside you've got a manual, user manual. Well, just a simple slide of paper, nothing much. So no need for that. And here's the device itself. So you've got your little indents for your Apple Watch to lay in there, and your phone should probably go there. And on the bottom you've got 6 rubber feet, so it's not going to slide, and you've got a white decent cable. It should be pretty long enough to reach the power port, hopefully. But yeah guys, there's nothing much to design here. It looks very nice, simple. The silver version will have a silver outline, but this is the white one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and plug this in, guys. Okay, it's plugged in. We've got some LED lights inside, which is really nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my phone and put that here, and that's charging very well, so that is a good thing. So let's take my Apple Watch off here, and because I have this Velcro wrap, let's put it in like that, and that's charging. As you can see guys, both are charging. This is just really nice. So I know Apple's, it's going to be more complicated because you can put it anywhere, but this one you've just got those two fixed spots. So you can see both are charging now, and that is just so nice. I know Apple's is supposed to be anywhere you place it's going to work, but this decent size, this one, and is for your Apple Watch and your phone only. And the charging for your phone is up to 7.5 watts on the iPhone iOS devices, and if you're using Android phone, you're getting all the way up to 10 watts of charging, so that is decent. Your Apple Watch is your standard 5 watts charging, nothing fancy there. But overall, it's a very nice thing. It's charging both, so if you have an iPhone and Apple Watch and you're looking for one charger, one solution, this is really nice. I've seen other charger where you need to use your own Apple Watch, but this one is nice. They have that inbuilt, so it's just, you've got a spare one if you want to carry it around. As you can see, they're charging both fine. Let's just put it on and take it off so you guys can see a better view. Stop charging and charge. So you can see guys, it's not gonna, you have to put it in that area there, if not it's not gonna work, but most of the time you're gonna hit it correctly. As you can see, it's charging. But for the price, this is really nice guys. I do love it a lot. I picked up this one, which is from Apple, that's £75, and I hardly use it. I've used it like a few times, but this one is going to be one that's going to go next to my bed, so at night time I can just put both down, and I'm going to be able to get charging on both, which is really nice. Someone charging? Let's check. Yeah, that's charging. But yeah guys, as you can see, it works very fine. It's really great for the price. Do check it out guys. I am literally speechless. It works. I'm very impressed with it. Yes, it's only two phones, two devices, but it's your iPhone and your Apple Watch. Just place it there and it's gonna charge. It would have been nice if you could put another phone. If someone comes around, you can place their phone as well. But yeah, for this price, I'm very happy with it. I was a bit worried that it's not gonna work well, but as you can see, it's working fine. But yeah guys, I'll leave a link in the description as always if you do want to check it out. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next one guys. Take care.